Hey everybody, Dave Duley here, Georgia Advisory Group. Wanted to touch base with you. This is just a market update. Today's November 10th, 2022. Let me ask you a quick question. Maybe you can help me. How many of y'all go out there and get your house appraised on a weekly basis? None, right? Nobody does that. And the reason we don't is because we don't plan on buying it or selling it on a weekly basis. And therefore, the value moving up and down doesn't give us much concern whatsoever. My point being is we look today and we'll notice that the market is on a tear today. Based on what information? Well, based on information that the CPI number that came out early this morning was about 2 to 3/10 of a point less than what it was a month ago. Now, it still stands at 7.8 or 7.9 or whatever they reported today on a month-to-month basis. So it's still atrociously high. Yet the market reacted. Let me show you something real quick. You see all that green, right? We're seeing a tear in the market today, right? The Dow reaching up 1,000, NASDAQ over 600 points up today. Yet yesterday we saw a huge downturn after the big red wave didn't take place. My point being is this, right? That the reason we went to cash back in April was to have dry powder to be able to purchase things over the last 3 to 4 months and continuing to do so, because this is a great indication today that when the market gets on a tear, which it will, based on any good news whatsoever, which I don't think is anything fantastic, you're seeing this knee-jerk reaction. And that just lets you know that how much money is sitting on the side ready to pour back into the market. So again, if you're being selective and picking good stocks, you've got plenty of dry powder on the sideline to be able to purchase things when the market has days like it did yesterday. You're going to see these big, fast moves. I think we're going to see record moves in the future over a period of time that are higher than we've ever seen before, right? Because again, companies have gotten beaten down unreasonably, and therefore you're going to see just a tear when it comes to returns on your investment. But the bottom line is you've got to be with a firm that has a plan. We've got a plan. We've stuck with our plan. And it's funny, my phone doesn't ring when the market's up on days like today, but you may get 1 or 2 calls when it's down saying, hey, what are you doing? And it's funny they won't call you when things are going good like they are today. Now, does this mean this is going to continue from here till whenever? No, not at all. We're going to see these rocky moves. But we're in a position, like today, to take advantage of these things. So if you're with a firm that does that, that's awesome. If not, you need to give us a call and figure out why we're different than most everybody else out there. Our website's going to be on this email. So go ahead and visit us, take a look around, and you'll see why we've been as successful as we have over the last 40 years. Have a great day.